Hey guys, hi and welcome to the video. My name is Samal. I want to talk a couple of minutes about my journey here. So I come from an electronic background, right? I did my bachelor's in electronic engineering. One of my masters was in electrical engineering, and then I shifted towards computer science, right? So the journey was extremely hard. It was like extremely difficult, but I have made it, right? I worked hard and I keep myself updated constantly with all the new upcoming technologies and trending frameworks. So I just want to ask everyone here on my YouTube channel, I would like to know who are the people who have transitioned from a different background and have made it to the software engineering. So people from mechanical engineering, you are a mechanical engineer and then you moved into software. I would love to get in touch with you and I would love to know about your journey. What were the obstacles that you had and how did you overcome those obstacles? How did you learn about particular how did you learn about particular framework or particular particular thing, and when you had problems, how did you how did you overcome those problems? So I just want to know your journey. So if you have transitioned from a different background to software, do let me know in the comment section. I would love to get in touch with you. I would love to connect with you over a Zoom or Teams, and would like to record that session and would like to tell everyone about your journey. Well, there are a couple of reasons to do this, right? So the first reason is I want other people to be motivated and see if these people can do it. Of course, they can do it, right? It's not impossible. So, and also it would help other people to see what were the paths that you followed or what are the things you did in order to overcome certain obstacles. Well, that's it for this video. If you are from a different background and you moved to software engineering, please let me know. Type in your email address in the comment section. I would like to send you an email and would like to talk to you more about that. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, keep smiling, keep coding, keep learning, and I would see you guys in the next video.